I get so tired by the night. I just don't feel like taking off my makeup. Morning skincare is fine, doctor, but at night I'm too lazy. Yes, a lot of you feel the same about nighttime skincare routine, but let me tell you the truth. Hi, I'm Dr. Krishna and I'm dermatologist with Cureskin. In Cureskin, we give our users both an AM and PM skincare routine and it works wonders for them. But why? There are two major reasons. Number one, your skin enters a repair phase when you sleep. You know how all the major construction work of the city happens at night? The same thing happens with your skin. The skin cells regenerate 3 times faster at night. Number two, your skin's absorption power increases at night. At night, the blood flow to your skin increases. Therefore, your skin's ability to absorb whatever you may apply to it is much higher at night. For a healthy and glowing skin, a good nighttime routine is very important. So let's talk about the essentials of it. 1. Start with a clean face. Probably the most important step of a nighttime routine is to cleanse. Imagine throughout the day layers of sweat, dust, pollution, skincare products, makeup just building up on your face. Now, sleeping with all of this on will clog your pores, hinder with cell regeneration, and cause acne breakouts, premature aging, dark spots, and whatnot. I cannot stress this enough. Please take off your makeup and then wash your face using a good cleanser in your night routine. Second, target specific skin concerns. While morning skincare is all about protection, night is all about repair. Your skin cells are regenerating. There are no environmental factors like sun, pollution, etc. It makes night the best time to target specific skin concerns like pigmentation, acne breakouts, wrinkles, redness, etc. So, the second step is to use a repair product. My advice, please make sure that you get a dermatologist prescribed repair cream rather than picking a generic one. Dermat given repair products are way more safe and effective due to their ideal concentration. If you do this at night, trust me, you'll see the results much faster. Number 3. Moisturize. Your skin is more prone to lose moisture and it produces less oil at night. So please give your skin that much needed hydration with a good moisturizer. At Cureskin, we give you a moisturizer based on your skin type and weather, so be mindful of that. Pro tip, apply your night skincare at least 30 minutes before you sleep, so your skin gets all the benefits and not your pillow. Also, pick products that complement each other. For example, in our kit, if we give you an exfoliating repair product, it will be complemented with a very gentle cleanser. Well, that's about it. I hope you'll start using your night skincare routine